Nikki, comb hair, comb hair. Nikki, comb hair. Comb your hair. Comb hair, comb your hair. Nice, nice. You like your couch? Nikki, comb your hair. Comb your hair. Comb hair, comb hair. Comb hair. Nice. Comb hair. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Nikki, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yay! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Nikki, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Say Dada. Say Dada. Nikki is right now she's playing. She's 11 months old. Today is November 7. She'll be turning 1 this November 10, this Saturday. Nikki! Ay! Ay! Yay! Comb hair! Comb hair! You love Dora? You love Dora? Where's Ashley? Oh! She's there! Where is she so happy? She like... You're dancing? Come here, baby. Nikki, come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come to mommy. Come here. Nikki, come here. Come here, baby. Baby, come here. Come here. Come here, come to mommy. Very good. Woohoo! Nikki, mommy calling you. Nikki, come here. Come here, baby. Good. Hi, Ashley. You're dancing? Smile. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Ashley, where's your nose? 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 Where's your eyes? Very good. Where's your nose? Very good. Where's your mouth? Where's your ears? Ears. Ears. Very good. Where's your hat? Where's your hands? Where's your hands? Where's your hands? Ashley. Nikki, come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Why? You must walk. Very good. Very good. Ay, ay. Ay, ay. Uy. No, baby, no. Ay, ay. Ay. Say Dada. Come here, baby. Come here. Nikki, come here. Where you go? Peek? Abu. Peek? Abu. You got some cookie? You got some cookie over there? Come here. Sweet. Boy. This is the Ashley. You're playing, Ashley? Say yeah. There's the Iki. Nikki, what are you doing? There's the Iki. Say hi, Adiko. Say hi, Ashley. Wait.